Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So you can see this car is Porsche Panamera, and the car have issue about water and oil mixing. So you can see here for water coolant tank, see inside all is oil coming here inside, all oil mixing. Water and oil is mixing, and the cooler location is here down of main pulley. And where is okay, that is old one we going to replace. That is cooler is problem faulty. That is issue about water and oil mixing, that is fault. And that is new one we going to change, that is new brand, new one, original genuine part. And also we replace the coolant bottle. So thank you.